Hello friends, today I am cooking my favorite meat. It's very easy. You just have to take the small cubes or pieces of meat, goat or chicken, and for the masala you only need dry chilies. If you want, you can add 3 to 4 green chilies, ginger, 2 to 3 cloves, and ginger and garlic, maximum 3 to 4 pieces, and then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan and first saute them a little bit, then add the meat. You don't have to add the water because meat will release the water. Okay, and it's very tasty. You can have it with your rotis or chapatis, rice, chow, anything. So today, after a long time, I have got my favorite lean meat, pure lean meat, and I am cooking it and sharing it with you. Any bachelor or biker who are foodies like me, just try it. So once again I am repeating it. Take small pieces of meat, and for gravy you need only 3 to 4 red chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and 3 to 4 small pieces of ginger. Grate it, add it in the oil, and first fry it a little bit, then add the meat, and then just cover the pan and wait for 30 minutes. And after that this meat color will change to darker color, dark chocolate type, and the smell will come out. So then you will know that your meat is ready and you can have it. So thank you for watching.